If you pay any attention to my videos at all, then that means you know I've been looking for a SIG P250 Subcompact. You saw my video I did on the redesign that Sig Sauer has done on these Subcompact P250s. I used to have one, didn't like the way the frame was designed. Now the new redesign has a completely different frame, and now I really want one. And unfortunately I've already sold my other one, so I can't just buy the new frame, so I have to start from scratch and look for one of the new ones. Well, I haven't been able to find one of the new ones. Another YouTuber found one and sent me some information on one, but unfortunately it was from Bud's Gun Shop, and I would rather have my toenails pulled out than I would buy from Bud's Gun Shop. I would actually rather make out with Guns and Gear than I would buy from Bud's Gun Shop. Now, it's a different story. Maybe someday I'll get pissed enough to tell you why, but let's just suffice it to say, buying it from Bud's wasn't an option for me. So I've looked around. I've gone to every dealer in my area, both in Portland and in Vancouver, just everywhere within. If it's a gun shop and it's within 50 miles of me, I've been to it or called it. Today we had the Portland Gun Show, so I went over to the gun show hoping, well, maybe I can find one there. No luck. Wasn't able to find a P250 Subcompact in the new configuration there either, but I was able to find a way that I can get one without actually finding one to buy. So although I was unfortunately unable to find the new model SIG P250 Subcompact today, I was able to find an alternative method of getting one. Instead of buying the new model, since the only difference between the old model and the new model is all in the grip frame, I was able to find parts where I'll be able to put one together. See, this here is the SIG P250 Subcompact slide, and this came with the guide rod, the barrels in there. And as you can see here, it has the night sights. This is the night sight model. So this does have the nitron slide though. So I would have to bead blast this if I want this to be the stainless steel. But that's not a big issue. This is stainless steel under the nitron. Real easy to take this off with a bead blast if I want to. I will leave it this way until it starts to show wear, because I don't mind blued guns. I like blued guns. I just don't like it when they start to show wear. So I'll leave it blued. If it starts to show wear, then I'll just bead blast it down to where it's a two-tone. So like I say, I was able to get the complete upper here, sights, slide, barrel, guide rod and spring, and I was able to get the magazine. Got the 9mm magazine with 12 shots there, and it's got the 9mm barrel in it. Now for these I paid I think for this complete upper and this magazine, I only paid $185. So that was only $185. And then for another $190, which I don't have it yet, I was able to find a FCU, which is a firing control unit. So now I will be able to put everything together except for the frame, and I'll pick that up on Monday. And I was able to order the frame from SIG. They had them in stock, so I ordered the frame. So hopefully within a week, once the frame comes in from SIG, once I pick up the firing control unit from the other person, I will be able to build my own new model SIG P250 Subcompact. Now, like I said, I was $190 for that, $185 for this and the magazine, and then I had to pay $45 for the slide, for the frame. So when you look at it, I'm into this gun $275 plus $45. That's $420. That's less than what it was at Bud's or any place else I saw it. So by building it, I'm actually saving myself some money, because on those ones I would have had to pay $445, I think was the lowest I saw it, $455, and up to like $500. So for $420, I'm able to just build the gun with the way I want it for less than what I could have bought it, and I don't have to deal with someone I didn't want to deal with.